Welcome to your daily math video. Our purpose is to give you a little cognitive shot, boost your confidence, and help you connect with your family to discuss the solution.
Now, take a look at this little interesting brainy activity. Think carefully and try to solve it in your mind. You may use your calculator, tablet, or grab a pen and paper if you like. Here are your choices. Look closely, take your time, think again. Oh wow, you did it! Which one do you think is right?
So, what do you think the answer is? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this, share it with your loved ones and remind them they're on your mind. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more fun learning every day. See you in the next daily video. Stay curious.